Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to make a quick background for my card using the Ken Oliver color bursts. And when I use this, I like to spray my water on first. That way when I puff my little powder out, it has something to stick to. And then I take my water and I just squirt on to the powder to make the color move around. Today I'm using a paintbrush just to move my colors around. I just wanted a watercolored look, and I'm using a Yupo type paper today. When you use this with the color bursts, it dries really cool, but you're gonna want to seal it if you're giving it to somebody because it can react with water. So if you come back the next day and add water to your dried background, it will completely move around. So make sure you seal it if you do try this technique. So I love all the texture that it gave. It looked really cool. At first I thought I was going to face the white part down and cover that up with my grassy hill. Then later I decided to flip it around and have some white peeking out at the top. So I'm using a grassy hill border die to create two hills for my critters to stand on. I'm also using a CC Designs die set for clouds, and I'm using a Sunny Studio die set for some flowers. And I used the little sunflower die from Sunny Studios from the film strip die that they have. Now I'm going to add my two hillsides to my panel and glue on my clouds and start putting together my die cuts. For the color on my die cuts, I just colored them in with my Copic markers. I didn't do any shading, I just wanted to add some color. So I will use liquid glue to adhere those to my panel, and then I will adhere my cute little critters. I want one of them popped up so he looks like he's in front of the smaller one. So I do pop him up with some foam tape. I pick out my sentiment. Now I'm taking those cute little sunflowers or little daisies and I'm sprinkling those around my images so they look like they're little daisies coming out of the grass. Here I thought there was too much white space, so I just re-wet my paintbrush and added a little bit more of the blue to the top there. You can see my panel is all dry and ready to add my sentiment. I'm using the My Favorite Things slanted sentiment die set here, and I'm using the second largest one, and I picked out the really cute sentiment, "Without you there wouldn't be me." So I wanted to make this card for my mom, and I thought that sentiment was perfect. So I'm going to get out some white embossing powder and heat emboss this so there's a nice shiny finish. I just love the way the white embossing powder looks against the black cardstock. When you're embossing, don't forget to use your embossing buddy tool. I forgot to use it the first time around and there was embossing powder stuck to my cardstock like crazy, so I had to do it over. That embossing powder tool works wonders. I also like to put a piece of scratch paper underneath my work surface. That way it could catch all the embossing powder and I can easily dump it out onto the paper and then pour it back into the bottle. I'm going to pop up my sentiment with some foam tape to give it a little bit of a lift. Since my image is popped up, I wanted it to be balanced on the top of the card as well. I will have all the supplies linked below in the description box, including this very cute stamp set by My Favorite Things. Also, you can find the foam tape in my Amazon store and other items. My Amazon store includes an affiliate link. An affiliate link, what does that mean? That means when you click on the link, I will earn a small commission at no cost to you, and that really helps out my channel. And I really thank you for clicking on my links. So now I'm just going to add this to my card base. It's just a regular A2 size folding card base. And now we can call this card done. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video and enjoyed this card. And I decided last minute to add in another little image that I didn't get to color up to the inside of the card. I decided to leave that black and white, so maybe the person that receives the card could color it in. Like my mom, she loves to color. So thank you guys, and I will catch you in the next video. Bye guys.